Thank you very much, John. The weather in Dunkirk actually in many respects is similar to 60 years ago, but it is different in one of them, and that is that it's going to be fine and warm and fairly sunny. It isn't cloudy, but at least the winds will be light and the seas fairly gentle. Now, there's nothing light and gentle about the weather further north. There's a lot of heavy rain. It's been there for a couple of days. It's still there. It's lock solid across that southern part of Scotland. Sky is relatively clear further south, but that heavy rain has caused some flooding. We do have some rivers on red alert. We have some rivers on amber alert as well. So there are problems across that northern part of England. The culprit is that particular weather system there, not going to move very far. In fact, it's going to be quite a changeable week, I think, with the emphasis mostly in the north. Lots of isobars across the north, quite windy, always coming in from the west. Little kinks from time to time indicating the various weather systems. And as I said, they like to be more potent, I think, in the west and in the north. Today it's the southern part of Scotland, some northern areas of England and Northern Ireland are going to stay cloudy, cold and wet, miserable, windy as well. The northwestern part of Scotland fine, and the more southern parts also some sunshine, but there will be one or two showers and at least some reasonable temperatures in the south, but pretty cold further north, 9 or 10 on that east coast at best. That rain continues across southern Scotland, parts of Northern Ireland through the night, getting lighter and more patchy. As it does so further south, it's going to be a fine night. That weather system's still there tomorrow, so still some rain in parts of eastern Scotland, but fizzling all the while and starting to brighten up, I think. Further south, just one or two showers. Then it's all changed. On Tuesday we have a weather system coming in from the Atlantic, quite a few isobars, so we will have a band of rain moving across the country, fairly light in the south, heavier in the north, and then followed by brighter conditions, but with a scattering of showers. Another weather system knocking on the doorstep for Wednesday. In fact, quite an active one at that, so although we start off dry and bright, and we will perhaps in the east have nothing more than just the odd light shower, wet and windy weather will spread into the west and the north during the second part of the day. That weather front still dangling across the country on Thursday, brighter weather to the west of it, brighter weather to the east of it, but along that weather front itself, through much of Scotland and northern and western parts of England, further outbreaks of rain. A little bit of a complication on Friday. We will have an area of low pressure on our doorstep. Difficult to say exactly where it is, but it's going to keep the weather unsettled with showers and longer outbreaks of rain, perhaps some thunder in the southeast.